Want to make money with AI in 2025? These 5 tools are blowing up, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. Tool 1. Copy.ai. First up, Copy.ai, an AI writing assistant that helps you create blogs, ads, or social media posts in seconds. Perfect for freelance writers or content creators. Tool 2. Pictory. Next, Pictory. It turns long articles or scripts into stunning short videos automatically. Great for YouTube automation, just like this. Tool 3. ChatGPT Plugins. Of course, ChatGPT, but here's the trick. Use plugins like Wolfram Alpha or Link Reader to do research, coding, and even business planning. Tool 4. Opus Clip. Want to go viral? Opus Clip turns long videos into TikTok-style clips with AI highlights and captions. Easy content, big reach. Tool 5. Canva Magic Studio. Finally, Canva's new AI tools, Magic Write, Magic Design, and more. Create stunning visuals, carousels, or ad creatives in minutes. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to NextWave AI for more money-making tools every week.